This is Captain Math, and I have an objective, which is I can add unlike fractions using visuals. And my evaluation would be, my evidence will be visual and to explain the concept. Captain Math, and today we're going to add unlike fractions. And you're probably saying, what is an example of an unlike fraction? Well, we're going to add unlike fractions 1/3 plus 1/2. And I'm going to show you the wrong concept, and then I'm going to show you the correct concept. Now, when you see 1/3 plus 1/2, most people would say 1 plus 1 is 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5. That's the wrong concept. Now, remember when I first taught you LCM? Well, this is the reason why we are going to use that concept, LCM, which means lowest common multiple. Anytime you have the denominators that are different, you gotta find the LCM first of those two numbers. In this case, 3 and 2. So that means we're going to count by 3s and we're going to count by 2s. I'm going to put it right here. So let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Well, we're going to stop there. All right? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, and 6. Now, you should have noticed something. They have a number that is common in both the 3 and the 2. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's that 6. Now, this is the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. And you're probably saying, well, wow, what's so important about that? Well, that 6 says that we're going to cut each and every one of these fractions into 6 equal parts. Let's draw the fraction 1/3. Is this cut into 3 equal parts? That's right. So each of these is a third. And we're going to shade one of them so we know exactly which one is 1/3. So 1/3 of them is shaded red. And now we're going to shade in 1/2 in this bottom one. So we're going to cut it into 2 equal parts. And we're going to shade one of them. So now we have a picture of 1/3. And we have a picture of 1/2. That's shaded red. Now, since we found the LCM of 6, that means instead of having 3 equal sections, we got to cut it into 6 equal sections. So do you have any idea how I can do that? That's right. I can put a line straight through the middle. And now, instead of each section is 1/3, what is the value of each section now? That's right, 1/6. because now I have cut it into 6 equal sections. So now we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. Before we start off with 1/2, now we got to cut this 1/2 into 6 equal sections. So you have any ideas how I can do this one? That's right. I'm going to have to cut this into like this. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have made this look like 1/6 equal parts, haven't I? So I'm going to put 1/6 in here for each one of these. So now we're ready to do it the correct way by using our visual picture. So now when we look at this picture now at the top, we want to replace 1/3 with those 1/6 now. So now what fraction is shaded at the top red? That's right, I got 2/6. That's shaded red. So we're going to replace the 1/3 with 2/6 because we had to find the LCM so that we can make these denominators the same. So now, instead of using 1/2, what fraction down here is shaded red? That's right. I got 3/6 shaded red. So now, the denominators are the same now. Now we're ready to add our fraction. So 2/6 plus 3/6 is 5/6. Wasn't that easy? Great job. Now, I'm going to show you another method in a few minutes. I'm going to show you 3 methods. This is method 1, the visual method. This is the picture method. In the next minute, I'm going to show you the mathematical method, how we can use this mathematically using numbers. And then on the last method, I'm going to show you a shortcut. And this is used once you have felt real confident that you can add unlike fractions. So, see you in the next segment. Welcome back to segment 2, or method 2, of adding unlike fractions. Today, the fraction that we're going to add is still going to be 1/3 plus 1/2. But we're going to do it a different method now. We're still going to find the LCM. Why? Because the denominators are different. And when they're different, we got to find the LCM. So let's count by 3s, and then I want you to stop when I say stop. 3, 6, 9, 12. Stop. Now, let's count by 2s. And when we see a number that is the same in both the 2 and the 3, I want you to say stop. Ready? Let's go. 2, 4, 6. Whoa! I heard you. You said stop. Good job. And why did you tell me to stop? Because they both have the same number 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 equals 6. So that means I got to make a different unit that is now in 6. 1/6. So now, if I have 1/3, How can I change that 1/3 with a 6 at the bottom? That means I got to multiply 3 times 2 to make a 6, don't I? This is the mathematical method. So if 3 times 2 is 6, then I got to, whatever I do here, I got to do the same thing at the top. So if this is a 2, this is going to be a 2. We're multiplying a fraction to its whole number. Now, I have 1/2 times, I'm trying to get a 6 in the denominator. So 2 times what is 6? That's right, 3. So this is a 3, this is a 3. Now we're ready to find the equivalent fraction of 1/3 and 1/2. All right, so we erase that. So 1 times 2 is, that's right, 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. Very good. And now we're going to do the same thing to this fraction. 1 times 3 is 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. We like it when the denominators are the same. All right, so what is 2 6 plus 3 6? That's right, it's still 5 6. This is the second method of adding 1/3 plus 1/2. In the next segment, I'm going to show you an even shortcut method of getting the answer to 1/3 plus 1/2. See you in the next segment. Hello everybody. This is the third method, which we call the cross multiply method. Now, during this method, this is for someone that really knows their multiplication and really are good in mathematics. And so there are a great shortcut that will get you the answer quicker. But you got to know how to multiply and add. And if you know how to multiply and add, then this method is best for you because you want to challenge yourself. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a quicker way to solve this same problem, 1/2 plus 1/3, using the cross multiply method. All right, are you ready? All right, so come on in close and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Cross multiply means I'm going to multiply this denominator times that numerator. So 3 times 1 all right, then I'm going to add and I'm going to cross multiply this one. We use a different color. Cross multiply these two numbers. So now I'm going to multiply 2 times 1 and then I'm going to finally multiply these two numbers, the denominators. So it's going to be 2 times 3. Now we're ready to simplify. Cross multiply means I'm going to cross multiply the denominator times that numerator. And then I'm going to cross multiply this denominator times this numerator. And then I'm going to multiply both denominators to get the answer. It's a shortcut. All right? Now, what's 3 times 1? That's right, 3. Plus, what's 2 times 1? That's right, 2. And then, what is 2 times 3? Very good. It is 6. Now we're going to simplify it one last time. So what's 3 plus 2? That's right. It's still 5, 6. This is the third and most popular method for those who are real good in multiplying and adding. It's the shortcut method that we cross multiply. So today we saw 3 methods. We saw the visual method with the rectangle boxes. Then I show you the mathematical method in the second method. And then the third method is cross multiply. All 3 methods will give you the answer that you want. It all depends on what learning style that you like. Most people like to draw. Many like to use math. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you enjoyed today's episode, please share and subscribe. And make sure that you check my new email, funwithtab55@gmail.com. That's my new email address for those who want to send me an email. funwithtab55@gmail.com. See you soon, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Bye-bye.